If you're ever stranded on an island and you only have like 4 lip glosses, you can make this work. Except if it's windy, then probably don't do it because you know what happens when it's windy. So, hey guys, welcome to another video that you wish you didn't click on. Today we're going to be doing a full face of lip gloss. Not because you requested it, but because I have nothing better to be doing with my life. So I already have on foundation and concealer, as you can probably tell since my face doesn't match my neck. I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss real quickly, which is gonna be the only time in the video that we're using lip gloss for what it's actually intended for. So, first thing that I want to do is contour so I can hide the holiday weight. Even though the holidays haven't even quite started, which is a little bit concerning, I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand for now and we'll try and get some good contour going and make me look amazing, which, you know, is easier said than done. I kind of feel like this contour is looking good. I don't know about you guys. I put the mirror down here so then I don't have to hold it because, to be honest, it's probably a sign that I need to start working out that I can't hold the mirror for longer than 5 minutes without my arm becoming all wobbly and shaky. But, you know, that's okay. That's life. And if I break out tomorrow because of this, I won't be happy. Unless this video has at least like 100 views, but you know, that's pushing it considering, you know, that's not quite what YouTube likes to do for me. I didn't mean to press that so loud. My apologies. We're a gentle family here. Boom. I'm actually liking how this contour is blending out. I kind of feel like this lip gloss is blending out better than most contour sticks. Just saying. And I'm surprised it's not lifting product because lip gloss is sticky, so you would think that as I press it's going to lift the foundation because I didn't put powder on it, but it's not. This is kind of working out. If you're ever in a crunch and you only have brown lip gloss, like that's going to be your saving grace because it's working for me. You're going to be very proud to know that we just found our first hack on this channel, and it is using lip gloss as contour. Surprisingly, it does not look sticky. It doesn't look as shiny as I thought it was going to look. To be honest, I thought it was going to look like this. Insert picture of Tatcha melting face video. That's what I was expecting by putting lip gloss on my face, but honestly, that has not happened. It looks good. I like it. It's blending out great. It looks even. I'm afraid to say that this is better than most contour sticks. I just don't want to overdo it, which I kind of feel like I'm getting close to overdoing it, so I should just stop. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna move on to blush. I'm getting more and more excited because this may be the first video that actually works for me. We're gonna be using this one that I got from BoxyCharm. It's by Cab. It's very pigmented, very. So I'm just gonna put a dot on and then I'm gonna apply it to my cheeks. Oh my god, why does that look good? We're doing it, guys. We are doing it. We are making YouTube history, at least for my channel, because something is actually working out as I planned that it would. Usually I plan a lot of things. I'm like, it's gonna go this way, it's gonna go that way, and then I watch the video and it looks like shit. But this time, I don't know. We have a winner on our hands. I'm actually going in with a little bit more blush because, you know, why not? It looks great. She looking good. While I'm doing this, I'm so tempted to just take the wand and put it right on my face, but I don't want to actually ruin the lip gloss. And then I started thinking, why do we so freely take concealer wands, put them on their face on top of like so many different kinds of foundation, and we're never worried about spoiling it? But when it comes from lip gloss, we're so hesitant to put it on top of like certain colored lipsticks and so on. Like, I always wipe mine off. I want to make sure that it's sanitized, that it looks good. Okay, like, I am shook. This video is actually going by really fast because I'm not having to fix my mess ups. Now I'm taking this Jouer lip gloss in Skinny Dip, and I'm going to be using that in my highlight because it has some sparkles, and you know, I may or may not like sparkle. I love them. I love sparkle. But then whenever I actually go into sparkle, I think, Monica, isn't your face shiny enough? Between that excessive oil production and the crazy amount of lip gloss that you have on your face, you would think that I have enough shine. Oh my god, that actually looks like a good highlight. Okay. I am very satisfied with how this looks right now. Very. And I'm not usually satisfied. I mean, like I say in every video, is it a Monica video? If something doesn't fall over, make a loud noise, and makes me scared that one of my parents is going to come in and catch me doing something that they don't know that I'm doing. You're absolutely right. It does scare me. I like it. I really like it. I didn't expect to like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this lip gloss to my lips because, you know what? Double standards. I don't put a concealer directly on my face, but why not put a lip gloss one on my face, because it's not like it's the exact same thing. That looks so beautiful. Thank you to my best friend for getting me this lip gloss in my Christmas gift last year. Or was it 2 years ago? Gosh, time is flying by. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having trouble remembering what I got for who got what for me. This is the Glitz. I thought that it would look kind of like, you know, too sparkly for my taste, but this looks great. And now for the craziest part of this video. I have about 4 lip glosses on my face, as I mentioned, and my face doesn't feel sticky or heavy. It doesn't feel caked on, and it doesn't look caked on. Yeah, sure, my hair is like maybe sticking to my face, but that happens anyway. So if you're ever stranded on an island and you only have like 4 lip glosses, you can make this work. Except if it's windy, then probably don't do it, because you know what happens when it's windy. So this is what would happen. Not bad. You just have to carefully clear it from your view. It does feel a little sticky when it touches your face, but you know what? If it's not touching your face, then there's no need to worry about it. And we're at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video is actually going to probably be one of my favorites because it's one of the few videos that actually worked. It worked. And when I tell you it worked, I mean that it worked. Like, the contour, the blush, the highlight, the lip, it looks